Okay, so before I begin, I actually unplugged everything. So I was going on a trip but I was going to be gone for a week. That's when I posted the last RWT that happened. Oh, I love this song. I don't need to put this on voice because the RWT doesn't make any noise on this one. So I'll just... And it's still on WWG 57.
Localized flooding is possible.
Huh?
And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
So my reasoning of unplugging these was for while I was gone, and I keep them off so it doesn't scare anybody. And when they're off, they do the check OP for this, and check reception. Check reception, that will do a check reception thing. And then they make some noises I don't like. So I'm just gonna plug everything in. Oh yeah, in this case I need to get new batteries for the EAR10, so I'll be back doing that. Alright, so I already got that and the WF100 ready to go. Forgot which one is which. Right, is always on the middle. So is that gonna work? No. Oh, yes it does. If it falls, then that'll be a shame. Oh, I put that in the wrong thing. Okay. There you have it there.
Chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms late this morning. Then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms this afternoon.
Okay. Next ready to plug in. God, my stomach hurts. Just set it up there so I can grab the cord for it. Find the power. Screw you. That's good. Thank you. Fantastic. Don't make too much noise. The best one here, the best one in this mini stack. I really like the watch tone of this. To experience that watch tone once. No, make that twice. I wasn't recording when it happened twice. Oh, it's on alert to see. No voice exit. Press regular. Did you enjoy the picture? Oh, there we go. It's pretty. Okay.
Chance of rain 60%.
There we go. Yeah, everything's set up and we're ready. We are ready. This is trash because it doesn't really need to be there. Oh, why are you static? It's because I placed you in here.
A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Wait, what happened?
Highs in the mid-80s.
Alright, that is it. So. Alright, we're ready.
Localized flooding is possible. Spotter activation is not expected at this time. And now the extended forecast. Friday night, partly cloudy with showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then mostly clear after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 60%. Saturday, mostly sunny in the morning, then becoming partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 80s. Saturday night, mostly clear. Lows in the upper 60s.
activating.
The preceding
Scared.
signal was a test of the weather radio station KIG 86 Columbus, Ohio. Public warning system.
I had to move it from there to here.
Potentially dangerous
Horrible
weather
reception.
situations. Specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending
Okay,
hazard.
you activated correctly for
Tests
once.
of the signal and receiver's performance
you do?
are normally conducted by the
You did
National
good.
Weather Service between 11 a.m.
What'd
and
you do?
noon each
You did good.
Wednesday. If there is a
Test
threat of
warning.
severe weather, the test will be postponed to the next available good weather day.
Alright, test. Alright, now that's the
Reception of
last
this
check.
broadcast, and especially the warning alarm
Everything
tone,
activated
will
perfectly.
vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the
I guess I
transmitter,
can go there
can
now.
occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in good working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties: Champaign, Clark, Delaware. Chance of rain 60%. Now here is the regional climatic report. Muscat, Erie, Midway, and Union. This concludes the weekly test of weather radio station Charleston, 86 Columbus, Ohio. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity.
Yellow,
Rest of today, cloudy. A chance of showers with a slight chance of
Stop
storms
flashing.
late this morning. Sun showers likely with a chance of
Yellow. That's not a advisory or statement light, I don't think. It's really just one light. I'm gonna try and get on WWG 57.
Of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s.
It's not flash flood or anything,
Rain
is it?
40%.
Okay.
The Lake Erie short-term marine forecast with
It's not a flood warning. It's not a flood warning. Is it a flood warning? What? It is a flood warning.
Southeastern Ohio, Mason County in western West Virginia until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:04 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain moving across the warned area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2 inches of rain has fallen over the last 24 hours, and an additional may occur.
What? Oh no. There's two Charleston's car wrecks. Oh no, there is a... Here's the RWT for this station.
Weather radio warning alarm for the WNG 698 listening area of north central Ohio. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending hazard. Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 p.m. and 4. When there is weather or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This is the test of the National Weather Service weather radio warning alarm.
That is the shortest test message. That's it. Shortest test message I've ever gotten. How in the world? I thought that was an RWT, but I guess it's a flood warning. And below that, oh, I guess it doesn't go anywhere. What the?